Hi dear students, how are you all? This is Suresh Viswakarma going to present you of class 10th mathematics chapter arithmetic progression. So students, in this arithmetic progression we are studying about the exercise 5.3. In this exercise 5.3 we have read few questions. After those questions we are going to carry forward the sums of that exercise. Here we are going to discuss about the question number 4. How many terms of an AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Means कितने टर्म्स को इस अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को 9, 17, 25 इस अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन को that how many terms we will take in the solution of this question is given. Your AP is 9, first term is 9, second term is 17, third term is 25, etc. These terms are given. So question is saying that इस series के कितने terms को हम add करेंगे? So their sum will be 636. Okay बच्चों, तो first of all as the sum of nth term is given 636, so we have to write down all the components of this series. For example, first term is 9, common difference d is equals to second term minus first term, which is 17 minus 9, that is equals to 8, and sum of n terms is given 636. So we are going to find out the number of terms that is added to 636. So we have to start the solving. So as we know that since Sn is equals to n upon 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us substitute the values which is given in this question. Sn is equals to given 636. Okay. Now n we are going to find out. N upon 2 will be same. Twice of a, the value of a is 9 plus n minus 1 into d, and the value of d is 8. चलो अभी क्या करते हैं, इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं, and after solving we will get our answer. Here 2 is divided. As 2 is divided, when you cross multiply, so it will be multiplied there in the 636. So let us cross multiply 636 multiplied by 2 equals to n into 9 to the 18 plus 8n minus 8. Let us solve it. Okay. So this after multiplying 6 to the 12, 2 3 the 6, 1 7, and 2 6 the 12, 1272 equals to n into 8n plus 10. Multiply करते we will get 8n square plus 10n and minus 1272 equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation, and we have to factorize this quadratic equation to find the value of n. So let us factorize this quadratic equation by splitting middle term, right? So our quadratic equation is 8n square plus 10n minus 1272. So first of all this simplify this equation by dividing it 2. Okay, divide it by 2, you will get 2 4s are 8, 4n square plus 2 5s are 10, 5n minus 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12 equals to 0. This is the simplest form of this quadratic equation. Now we cannot simplify. Now we have to factorize it to get the value of n. Now how to factorize? As we told that we have discussed, this 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0 by splitting middle term, and its middle term is 5 and we have to bring the 5n. To factorize this equation, we have to multiply by 4 into 636. Let us take all the prime factorization of these two terms. So this 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4 into this, you have to divide it by 2, 2 into 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, now by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, right? So we have to bring this 5n. So let us multiply these terms. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. When you take these numbers all together, you will get 48 multiplied by 53, and when you subtract this 48 from 53, you will get 5n, right? Now it is easily splitted in two parts, 48 and 53. Okay children, now we have to factorize this quadratic equation. We will get our quadratic equation is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. Therefore 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equals to 0. Let us take the common in this. What is common? Only n. So we will get 4n plus 53 minus, in this what is common? That 12 is common. 4n plus 12 5s are 60 and 12 3s are 36. Therefore the factors of this is 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 equals to 0, right? So with the factor of this, you will get two values of n. From this you will get n is equals to minus 53 upon 4, which is not acceptable. And from this you will get n is equals to 12, that is our answer. Means that 12 terms must be taken together, so the sum of these 12 terms is equals to 636. Therefore S12 is equals to 636 is our required answer. Okay. Okay students, let us see the question number 7. In this 7th question, it is given that find the sum of first 20 second terms. It means we have to find out the sum of 22 terms means S22 we need to find out, right? In which d is equals to 7, the common difference is equals to 7 given, and 22nd term is 149. It means A22 is equals to 149 is given, right? So the thing which is given, we have to start from there. So since 22nd term is given, A22 equals to 149, right? 149. So A22 can be written as A plus 21D is equals to 149. Now substitute the value of D from here. So A plus 21 multiplied by D is equals to 7, that is 149. Therefore A plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 equals to 149. So we will get the value of A 149 minus 147, which is equals to 2 is the value of first term. But here the question is asking find the sum of 22 terms. So S22 we have to find out. So to find S22 we need to use the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us substitute as S22 means n is equals to 22, we have to substitute here. So 22 divided by 2, 2 multiplied by a, and the value of a we got from here, that is 2. A is equals to 2 plus n minus 1, it means 22 minus 1, and the value of d is given, which is 7. So let us solve it. This is 11 multiplied by 2 2s are 4 plus 21 into 7. So 11 into 4 plus 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, right? Simplify it. 11 into 147 into plus 4, that is equals to 151. So multiply this number by 11. 11 1s are 11, carry 1. 11 5s are 55 plus 1 56, carry 5. 11 1s are 11 plus 5, which is 16. Means the sum of 22 terms is 1661 is our required answer. So dear children, wherever you are facing the problem, according to the given information we have to start it. As it is asking find the sum of 22 terms of this AP. So S22 we have to find out, where the common difference D is equals to 7 given, and 22nd term means En is equals to 20, means A22 is equals to 149 was given. So we have to start it from here. A22 can be written as A plus 21D, which is equals to 149. After that A22 can be written as A plus 21D, substituted the value of D, we will get the first term, that is A is equals to 2. After that it was asking S22, so we have to start with the Sn. Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S22, that is equals to 22 upon 2, means at the place of n we have substituted 22. So 22 upon 2 into 2 into a, the value of a was 2, 2 2s are 4, into 22 minus 1 into d. Substituted, we got the value of S22, which is equals to 1616 is our required answer. It means the sum of first 22 terms is 1661, right? Okay friends, see the question number 8. In this it is given that find the sum of first 51 terms, means S51 it is asking, first 51 terms of an arithmetic progression whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So let us first of all write down the information which is given in this question. In this it is given that we need to find S51, right? Then second term means A2 is given 14, second term is 14 and third term is 18. Therefore, A3 is equals to 18. So these three information we have, right? 3 means 2 information we have, third is asking. Okay? So we have to start with these two given information, right? As A2 is given 14, A3 is given 18. So let us start with these two. Since A2 is equals to 14, as A2 is equals to 14, so it can be written as A plus D is equals to 14, which is your equation number 1, right? The second thing which is given A3 and A3 is equals to 18. A3 is equals to 18, it means A plus 2D is equals to 18. Say it is equation number 2. Now solving equation number 1 and 2, we will get the value of A and the common difference D, right? So let us solve these two equations. Solving equation first and second, we get equation first is A plus D is equals to 14, right? Equation second is A plus 2D is equals to 18. So what we have to do? We have to subtract equation second from the first. A is cancelled, D minus 2D is equals to minus D, which is equals to minus 4. So minus is cancelled, you will get D is equals to 4. Now substitute this D is equals to 4 either in first or in second equation. Substitute D is equals to 4 in equation 1. We get, okay, equation 1 is A plus D is equals to 14. A plus D is equals to 14. Now the value of D is 4. A plus 4 is equals to 14. Therefore, A is equals to 14 minus 4. So, A is equals to 10 we got. The value of A, value of D we came to know. Right? Now, the question is asking find the sum of first 51 term. So, to find the sum of first 51 terms we need to find S51. So, since we know that the formula of Sn is equals to n upon 2 into twice A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So, to find the value of S51, n is equals to 51 is to be written here. So, 51 upon 2 multiplied by A is equals to 10 plus n is 51 minus 1 into D, the value of D is 4, right? Simplified. So, 51 upon 2 In this 10 2s are 20 plus this is 50, 54s are 200. So we got 51 upon 2 multiplied by 220. So simplify it, we will get 110 multiplied by 51. So 0, 51 ones are 51, carry 5, 51 plus 5 is 56. So our answer is S51 is equals to 5610 is our required answer. Means the sum of first 51 terms are 5610. Okay, see the question number 10. In this, the question is given so that A1, A2, A3 up to AN form an arithmetic progression whose nth term means AN is defined as below. In this there are two parts are given. First part I am discussing, second part you have to solve because just same as both are. AN is given 3 plus 4n and one more question is asking also find the sum of first 15 terms in each cases. Right children? As we have earlier discussed, when this type of an equation is given, An is equals to 3 plus 4n, so you have to use as a formula of this equation. As An is equals to 3 plus 4n is given. So let us see the solution of this. Since An is equals to 3 plus 4n is given, so we have to find out what I said. You have to consider this equation as a formula. With this formula you can find each and every elements, each and every terms of this arithmetic progression which is given. So let us find A1. A1 means n is equals to 1, which gives you the first term. First term means A. So substitute n is equals to 1 in this equation, you will get 3 plus 4 multiplied by 1. So 3 4s are 3 plus 4 1s are 4, which gives you 7. It means the first term of this arithmetic progression is 7. Find out second term A2. A2 is 3 plus 4 multiplied by n and n is 2. Means 3 plus 4 2s are 8 and 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. This is second term, right? Similarly, we can find the third term A3. 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3 plus 4 3s are 12, which gives you 15. You can find one more term, that is A4, that gives you 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4, which is 3 plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. So our required list of numbers are, it means our APs are, first term is 7, second term is 11, third term is 15, fourth term is 19. Now after getting this arithmetic progression, we can find here the one more question it was given, also find the sum of 15 terms in each cases, right? Chalo. So with this arithmetic progression, our first term A is equals to 7, D is equals to second term minus first term, means 11 minus 7, which is equals to 4, right? A is 7, D is 4. We are going to find out the value of S15. So to find the value of S15, we need to use the formula of Sn, and Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 it is asking, therefore n is equals to 15. 15 upon 2, 2 multiplied by a, the value of a means first term is 7, plus 15 minus 1 into d, common difference is 4. After substituting these values, let us simplify. 15 upon 2, 7 2s are 14, 15 minus 1 which is 14 multiplied by 4. Let us solve it. You will get 15 upon 2, 14 plus 14 4s are 56. Solve it, you will get 15 by 2 multiplied by 56 plus 14 which is equals to 70. Now this 70 is simplified by 2, you will get 35. Multiply this 15 by 35. 15 5s are 75, carry 7. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7 which is equals to 52. Means the value of S15 means sum of first 15 term is 525 is our required answer. Any problem? Here is the question number 11. In this it is given, if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, sum of n terms of an AP, it means here it is given Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. This thing is given. Then question is asking, what is the first term? First term means either A1 or A, or you can say S1 also. S1 means sum of first one term, and there is one term, so it is also known as S1, or you can say first term, or you can say A1, right? Find what is the first term. Then second question is asking, what is the sum of two terms? It means S2 is asking. Okay, let us solve the first. Question is asking, find first part of this. What is the first term? First term means this first term is equals to A1, or this you can say S1 also. So as Sn is given, so it is very easy to find the value of S1. Therefore, since Sn is given 4n minus n square, therefore S1 is equals to 4n, means at the place of n we have to substitute 1. 4 multiplied by 1 minus 1 square, therefore 4 1s are 4 minus 1 which is equals to 3, and this S1 is also known as the first term, is the answer of first question. Now second question is asking, what is the sum of two terms? Means we need to find S2 in this part. S2 means first term plus second term, which is sum of first two terms. And as Sn is given, as we have discussed, when this type of equation is given, you use always as a formula. This is Sn is given 4n minus n square, so it is easy to find the value of S2. So in the second part, since Sn is 4n minus n square, therefore S2 is equals to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4. Therefore, sum of two term is 4 S2. That is the answer of second part, right? First term came 3, second sum of two term is 4. Afterwards, next question in this it is asking, what is the second term? We have to find out the second term, as we have read the formula an is equals to Sn minus 1. As we are going to find out the value of second term, it means A2 we are going to find. So in third part, A2 is equals to, how to write? Substitute n is equals to 2 in this formula. So A2 is equals to S2 minus 1. Therefore, S2 minus S1, which gives you the value of A2. So S2 you have 4 and S1 you have 3. Therefore, A2 is equals to 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1, is the second term, is the answer of this third part, right? Also it is asking similarly find third term, find 10th term and nth term also. So as it is asking third term, so similarly we have to find out the third term. As you know that first term is 3, second term is 1, first term is 3, second term is 1. So let us find out its third term. So A3 we need to find. A3, that is equals to fourth part in this. A3 equals to A plus 2 into D. First term is 3 we have, plus 2 multiplied by the common difference D. D is equals to second term minus first term. 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. Therefore, 3 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 4, which is equals to minus 1, is the value of A3, right? Third term it is asking. Third term, after that the find 10th term also, means in the fifth part we have to find A10. And A10 is equals to A plus 9D. A is 3 plus 9 multiplied by D is minus 2. So 3 minus 9 2s are 18, which gives you the minus 15 is the value of A10, right? Also find nth term. So nth term means An we have to find out. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of A and D. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2. Let us solve it. 3 minus 2n and plus 2 ones are 2. Therefore, 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2n is the value of nth term. An is. So, these are the answer of this question. Means it was first term, it is the sum of first two term, it is the second term, it is third term, it is 10th term, and this is nth term. Means there are so many questions carrying this is so many parts we have solved it, right? Okay friends, see the next question. Question number 14 here. In this it is given, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So to find the sum of odd numbers, first of all we need to find how many numbers lies, how many odd numbers lies between 0 and 50. We have to find the arithmetic progression, then we will find it. So the odd numbers between 0 and 50, in the solution of this is, we need to frame our arithmetic progression. That given odd numbers between 0 and 50. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7. है ना ये odd numbers बच्चों? Okay, these are odd numbers. और the last odd number क्या होगा? That is 50. 50 is not an odd number. 50 is even. So we have to take before that one previous number, that is called 49. So these are the odd numbers lies between 0 and 50. Okay. Now we are going to find out the sum of these numbers. So to find the sum of these numbers, first of all we should know how many terms are there in this series. Is it arithmetic progression? Its first term is 1 and common difference is 2. And one more thing is last term is 49. So the parts of this arithmetic progression, since first term is 1, common difference d is equals to 3 minus 1 which is 2, and last term is 49 given in this. So it is easy to find the number of terms lies in this series. To find the number of terms we use the formula of last term. So since we know that L is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values. L is 49. First term is 1 plus n minus 1 into D, D is 2. Solve it. 49 minus 1 equals to n minus 1 into 2. Therefore 48 equals to n minus 1 into 2. So we got n minus 1 is equals to 48 upon 2, which gives you 24. So n is equals to 24 plus 1, that is 25, right? So the number of terms in this arithmetic progression is 25. So we can find easily the sum of these 25 terms. So since we know that Sn is equals to n upon 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have the everything to find the value of S25. Therefore S25 is equals to 25 by 2. 2 multiplied by first term is A, that is 1, plus 25 minus 1 into D, D is 2. So 25 by 2, 2 ones are 2, plus 24, 5 minus 1 is 24 into 2. Let us simplify. 25 by 2, 2 plus 24 2s are 48, 25 by 2 multiplied by 50, simplify by 2 which is 25, and 25 into 25 gives you 625, which is the value of S25, or you can say the sum of odd numbers lies between 0 and 50 is 625. Okay children,